For this practice, you may use an etude you recently worked on in the timing chapter. In the first step, try to maintain this free and detached true voice while playing very slowly, around one note every 2 seconds, without rhythm, sound imagination, or conscious hand motion. Then, keep the same voice as you begin adding rhythm, sound imagination, and hand motion. Finally, maintain your true voice while playing with all musical elements together. Begin with timing 2 and later experiment with timing 3 and above.